Hello and welcome to another video of my Cafe Racer build project. I wasn't too sure if I should actually post this video or not because I didn't really achieve very much at all. The plan was to refurbish and reuse the existing fuel tank on the bike, but if you stick around long enough for this video, you'll see why that's not an option. I spent quite a lot of time, effort, and a bit of money on this fuel tank, trying to refurbish it. I didn't really manage to. That's a shame because, as you may have seen, I'm not really a regular poster on YouTube. It takes me quite a bit of time to do anything because of other commitments that I have. So wasting time on this fuel tank didn't really bring me much benefit. So I've been trying to take the paint off the fuel tank, and I've seen many people online using paint stripper to take all the paint off, but I really didn't manage to. I've tried it 3 times, I've put paint stripper on it 3 times. It took off most of the ugly blue paint that was put on the tank afterwards, and it revealed all this rust here. But other than that, it really struggled to take off the old paint. So I don't really know what to do with this fuel tank now. As you can see, there's quite a lot of rust over here. I did try sanding this bit down, but it seems like the rust is quite deep. It's not just surface rust. So I might try and sandblast it to see exactly how bad it is, and maybe try and paint it afterwards. But I'm not quite sure yet. I think I'll have another go at it with the orbital sander and see how it turns out. If I get bored, I'll just take it to get it sandblasted. I think that's gonna be the best way forward. But I'm not happy with the tank. I'm debating whether I should buy one. It's about 50 pounds on eBay for a new one that will need painting. And it's probably gonna cost me 50 pounds to get this sandblasted and cleaned up and make it all nice again. So I don't know, we'll see. So, as you've seen in that video, I've started sandblasting the fuel tank. I mean, I tried all different ways of removing all the paint, but whoever painted this fuel tank previously just chucked a whole load of paint on it, so the paint stripper didn't really do a good job. I tried sandpaper, which didn't work really well. I tried a wire brush, that seemed to work better, and then I took it to a sandblaster. And what I found was quite upsetting. So as I was sandblasting, I noticed there was rust here, and as I was taking the rust away, and at the moment not all the rust is gone, so I actually had to, I should have sandblasted a bit more, but it already blew holes through the fuel tank. So while I was sandblasting, I saw these holes. I thought, okay, maybe I can fix them somehow, but as I was making my way around, I saw these other holes, and these are fairly big, and there's no point really trying to refurbish this fuel tank, so I'm just gonna have to chuck it away and buy a new one. It's a bit of a shame because I've spent quite a bit of time on this when I should have just bought another one, but you know, you do these things and you learn, and maybe next time I won't do this, I'll just buy a new one, but it's a good learning experience. So next time I'll probably order a fuel tank and a seat. I'm waiting for the frame to come back from sandblasting, and we'll see the amount of damage on that. I think it's pretty rusted, so I don't have very high hopes. I think it's gonna need a lot of welding. So I'll see you again in the next video.